Hi everyone, this is Mika again. Yes, I redid my hair. It's all poofy, it's all dyed, it's all pink, and my bow is lopsided. So we're gonna fix that real quick. I'm doing it wrong. Whatever. So, I was browsing YouTube, and I saw a whole bunch of videos that girls have been doing about what's inside their purses. And I thought, yeah, why not? I'm gonna do something like that. Cause I'm lame. So, here's what's inside my purse. Well, first I'm gonna show you my purse. It's actually not really a purse, it's more like a handbag. But I like purse better because it sounds not as, lame. Check this. Marvelous Misadventures of Flapjack. Love that show. But yeah, we're not interested in what my purse has on it. We're interested in what's inside of it. Okay. The first thing that's inside my purse that has to be in there at all times, I just went off, is my car keys. My car keys. They're so lame. The only cool things that are on this are my Katakyo Hitman Reborn Gokudera keychain that my friend John gave me from Anime Next. And then I have this really old ass Pirates of the Caribbean thing. I don't know if you can actually see it, but yeah, it's on there. Rest are just your regular fun keys and such. Let's see. The next thing I have in my purse is my wallet slash coin purse slash money pouch. I have my driver's license. I'm not going to show you my driver's license now. I want none of you creepers stalking me, not that you would, but just in case. And my little pins, they're so cute. I have Italia, Germany. I don't know if you can really see these because it's kind of fuzzy. I have Excalibur. There we go. Excalibur from Soul Eater, and then I also have Gokudera. All of this right here is from Anime Next. Next thing, never leave home without these sunglasses. They're lame, I know, but they're part of my everyday. Yeah, because I can. Another thing I have in my purse is hairbrush, because I am addicted to combing my hair. Yeah. Roadhouse. Alright, enough of that. Sorry, I'm just being a little weird right now. Okay, next thing I have in my purse. This thing. What is this, you ask? Well, it is a thing to hold things in. What things, you ask? Why, a mini sewing kit. Believe me, it comes in handy. A lighter. It doesn't work though. A Hello Kitty mirror. This thing is older than me, and it lost the bow. I have Soul Eater pens from Barnes & Noble's. 30% off, you can clearly see. Heck yeah. I'm gonna refrain from showing you that. crayons and pens. It's so exciting! Alright, I'll put everything back in that. Because, you know, I can. Next thing I have in my purse. Haha, a Digivice! Why do I have this in my purse? Because I've been playing it, and it's fun, and I have Elgatomon. I don't think any of you can see it, so I'm not even gonna bother. Let me think, what else do I have in my purse? Oh my gosh! A Pokewalker! I have Ninetales! I like Ninetales! Ha! Yeah, never again. Tell me never again, alright? And the last thing I have in my purse is manga. Manga. This is the Wallflower, volume 19. Probably like the 8th time I've read this series. This is the one I'm currently on. Out of 21 that there are out now. So much fun I am. Anyway, this has been my purse, and I hope you all enjoy it. And until I become a little more exciting, don't tell your friends and family to subscribe. Yeah. Alrighty then. Bye.